The weather for today updates for our blog for today. So this is short only after break. This afternoon we are in the work Sunday work, but cloudy. Okay, so see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. The weather updates in Canada, Saskatchewan. It's mixing cloudy with cold weather. Okay, so see you guys hopefully for the next video that I'm vlog. Okay, a 1 minute vlog for now before going back to work. Okay, so this is the condition weather in the border. Okay, so see you guys. That's all.